Hi. That's a great opening. Oh boy. This how I built my first PC. Before we continue, I just have to say this was the first time I built a PC with help from my friend James. Thank him a lot for. Pick parts and all that. But if I were to do it again, which I really do want to, because it was fun, I would do a lot more research into it myself. Failing research, I would ask a couple of friends, but doing the research yourself is better because you get to find out a little bit more everything. As you can see here, this is the case that's featured in the stream, video, whatever. You can see it's not got the PC in. That's because I had a couple of issues where I was storing the PC of it hot, not enough airflow and all that. Plus, 2 fans in a case aren't enough apparently. Who knew? fix that issue, I got a different case. 5000D airflow from Corsair, and added 3 extra fans into it to, well, try and fix the issue. As well as it being too hot where it was, it also cooked my graphics card, which was great because it meant for a month of June, July, I wasn't able to play any games or anything. As you can see right here, this is the completed product of the original PC build. Okay, it did look quite nice. I can already see a few flaws though, you know, the 2 fans up at the top, no fans at the front, stuff like that. But after that was completed, it took quite a while to figure out how to do the software side of it. No, my friend was helping me. It just took a little bit. Now I am using my webcam to show what it looks like right now. See, this is the new PC case. And yeah, it looks pretty good. I've got plans on upgrading it in the future. I want to change that to water cooling, just to make it look cooler. Possibly change the motherboard and upgrade the power supply so that it's ready for the 3080 when they come back in stock. If they come back in stock. So yeah, that was my PC build. Is it good? I don't know. It's a PC. It works most of the time when it's not having issues. Like my USBs. Why do they keep going off and on again? Why do they do that? Why does the internet not tell me the answer? Who knows? Hope you enjoyed that. And yeah, I'm still messing around, seeing what I like making on YouTube and all that. This one was pretty fun. Did a lot more advanced stuff. Advanced for me, at least. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because that does something. I don't know. Gives you encouragement. But yeah, how's my PC build compared to yours? Is yours better? Tell me in the comments or whatever. But yeah, that's the end of this one. See you next time.